Hi and welcome to Ellie's Jewellery House. Today I have a selection of acrylic beads which I will be making hopefully into 2 necklaces. There is a selection here of sort of these purple ones, sort of more lilac-y. They're actually quite big, these ones. And then you have the browns, which there are some smaller ones of these. Here, the smaller one. You see the size difference. And also we have these ones as well. There's 2 green, so I can put that onto the same necklace. There's some orange, ones. They're quite nice. Quite big holes on those ones, so may have to put a bead either side just to stop the seed beads going through. And then these ones are quite nice as well. There's 2 of these, so lovely. And these are acrylic as well, so yeah, they're acrylic. And then obviously then you've got these ones as well. This is the clear and a brown on there. So yeah, there's a different selection of, this one, quite a big hole in that, and then that's acrylic as well. Gorgeous colour, and the light hit goes through. So I'll see what I've got here and a closer look at the beads. They're all quite, they're all quite nice, lovely colours. So I will be looking at them a bit more closely and see which ones I can pick out for a necklace, and then I'll show you, I'll lay them out and I'll show you what I've chosen for each one. Okay. So I've decided on these beads for one necklace. Maybe this bead at the bottom, but maybe not. So I may put this one at the bottom because it's a lovely pattern and it's bigger than all the other beads. And then also add these acrylic ones. This one may be too heavy, so I'll leave that one there. And I'm going to be adding possibly maybe a brown, a black or a cream, maybe a green seed bead in between, maybe sort of like a peridot colour maybe, but we'll see what I have to put in between those beads. The other necklace I was hoping to do with this one, with the lilac and black, either a lilac seed bead or maybe, oh, that one needs to be over there, or the black with maybe a red seed bead. So I'm not sure yet with the black. I have enough black here to make one long necklace and enough here to make another long necklace with these. So I have odd number. Oh no, I don't have odd numbers. There's 2 small and 2 large ones. So I can do that. Make a longer necklace. So see you soon. So I've laid out my beads. The first necklace I want to make and show you. I've not decided on the seed beads as yet. A lot of the beads have quite big holes, so I have to put some beads either side of some of the beads. I've chosen these very nice earth beads. If I can show you. They're all like different colours. There's browns and greys and some oranges in those, so they will go nicely with that. So I'm going to put some in between the bigger beads, and I will show you the other ones that I've put in between, sorry, either side of the other beads, these big acrylic ones here, and they are these ones, which are like a cone, but they have a shape to them. So I'm going to be putting those either side, so they're a bit different, and they're a clear grey, and they're quite nice, and they're glass. So I don't want to put, so these earth beads are not too heavy, so I don't want to put too much weight on the necklace. and I'm going to be using this beadalon, which is a 0.012 inch, 0.30 millimeters. So that's a silver. I'll be using that 7-strand wire, which is perfect for acrylic anyway. It's, you know, it's not very thick, but it'll be fine. And then I will use a couple of crimps at the top of the necklace to complete it. So I will show you in a moment when it's done. So I decided on this bead at the bottom instead of this one because it's too heavy. It's awkward and heavy, so I decided on that one, which means I have an extra one for another necklace, which I have plans to do another one with peridot beads with this colour, with this lovely green. But what I've done with this one is I've added orange. They're very shiny, very, very pretty, and I will carry on with the necklace and then show you. This is the finished necklace. I've added all the beads, apart from a few extra ones that I wasn't going to put on, like the one at the bottom. The other one was too heavy, so I chose that, and I've also added some of these orange, lovely orange seed beads, which you can see are very, very orange. They're also quite shiny when the light catches them. But yeah, all done. I have used, if I can show you, I've used 3 crimps at the top. So what I do is I cross over the wire and I crimp with tubular crimps. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.